Hi guys, this is James. Today I am double excited. First reason is because today is my birthday and I'll be heading out for celebrations with my family in a short while. But before that, the second reason for my excitement is that there is a new tool that's being launched on 21st of November 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern that is going to help boost your business. And you would need this tool if you are doing any type of online or even offline marketing. And that tool is Mailerkit. I've got a demo coming up as well as a quick walkthrough of what Mailerkit is all about. Subscribe, click the bell icon and select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to boost your business, you will receive them. Check out the link below and discover the bonuses that I have prepared that will work together with Mailerkit. So now let's head on over and have a look at the demo and the review of Mailerkit. Okay, guys, let's check under the hood and see what else Mailerkit has in store for you when you use it with your business. Now, first off, I just want to let you know that there is a coupon code that you can use to get $20 off the one-time plan itself, the front end, and it is Mailerkit VIP. Now, if you are picking up the bundle deal, there is also a coupon code to be used with the bundle deal. And that is Mailerkit bundle for $30 off from the bundle plan. So use either one of these to get your discount. So if you look closely at Mailerkit, it is different from the other autoresponders that you may have used before. I have used Aweber, I've used MailerChimp, GetResponse, as well as MailerLite. And this is different from all the others that exist because it comes with two cutting-edge technologies, the individual IP tag as well as the spam track avoidance. So what this does, it boosts your open rates by 50 times. So that's a big deal, especially today when open rates are sinking. So you get your own dedicated IP, and that's one of the reasons why your reputation is going to be boosted and it gets inboxed far more than those who use a shared IP. And there are no recurring fees as long as you pick it up during this launch period. So what else you get with Mailerkit is that you can collect unlimited leads. There are no limitations, and also send unlimited emails. And of course, there are no monthly fees provided you pick it up at this launch price. You get unlimited subscribers, unlimited emails, and unlimited lists as well, and drag and drop automation that you can build for all your new subscribers and even for your current subscribers based on certain triggers that you may want to incorporate. And you can import lists as well with no double opt-in or verification required. And there is 24/7 technical support, which you don't get with many of the known or popular autoresponders. And for a limited time, you get a free SMTP as well. So that's great. And it is 100% cloud-based, so you don't need to install it or on your own server. And you get built-in opt-in forms, which you can even embed on your websites. And of course, you get reports and analytical tools that you saw in the demo. And if you have never used an autoresponder, then know that this is completely easy, user-friendly for a newbie as well. Okay, guys, one of the important things about Mailerkit is that the emails that you send or that you create are mobile responsive. So it can be read clearly and beautifully on a mobile phone as well. And I had already mentioned that you can embed your subscription or opt-in forms onto your own website. And this is important too, guys, that you can create email content and embed within your emails images, video, GIFs or GIFs, and you can check spam and test the subject lines as well before you send it off. And here are some of the things that the automation allows you to do when someone subscribes to your list. You can send them emails at set intervals when they unsubscribe or when it's their birthday or anything else that you wish. And it also allows you to integrate with third-party service providers like SendGrid, Amazon, SES, Mailgun, Mailjet. And here is the price, guys, $67 during the launch period. And remember, if you are picking it up through the front end funnel, use Mailerkit VIP to get $20 off. And here are the fast action bonuses that vendors are giving away. Bonus number 1 is multi-business service booking software. Bonus number 2 is e-com store builder. Bonus number 3 is web conversion builder. And bonus number 4 is text-to-speech app. And here's your 30-day money-back guarantee. It is an unconditional satisfaction guaranteed money-back guarantee. So the moment you get it, take it for a spin, test it out for 30 days and decide. And here are the promoters of Mailerkit, Firas Alameh and Tom Yevsikov. Okay, guys, let's go through the OTOs. OTO 1 is the Mailerkit Pro version, valued at $67, which allows you to do all of these. Comes with a commercial license as well and more advanced analytics. And of course, you get premium email templates. OTO number 2 is Mailerkit Pro Max, valued at $97, which allows you to do all of these. OTO 3 is Mailerkit Copywriting, going for $67. OTO 4 is Mailerkit Link, most advanced URL management software. OTO 5 is Mailerkit Agency, going for $197. OTO 6 is Mailerkit Reseller, valued at $97. So there you go, guys. I hope this quick review of Mailerkit has been helpful, and it shows you how you can use Mailerkit to take your business to the next level. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And once again, check out the link below to discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up Mailerkit through my link. And I wish you great success with Mailerkit when you pick it up.